I have a Hyundai Veloster. Customer complaint is vehicle is running a little rough. Based on my analysis earlier with the scanner, it is running a little bit lean. Everything else, as far as sensors, they look fine. It appears to me that most likely it's going to have a dirty throttle body. So we're going to take a look at this and see what we can find. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that throttle body is definitely extremely dirty. So we're gonna clean that bad boy up and get this vehicle running nice and smooth. Oh yeah, this is really bad, really filthy. All right, there's a conclusion of the throttle body cleaning. Throttle body is nice and clean all the way to the back, and throttle plate as well. Now we're gonna do an idle relearn and get this bad boy going. All right, so reset the throttle body adaptive values. Vehicle's running nice and smooth. Customer will be very satisfied.